attempt to take some video footage of this particular dump pass. The reason why is because the wind is going exactly the same direction we are, and the trash that starts floating around in front of the combine is kind of cool looking. Anyway, and then you could also see a little bit about what it looks like to run next to a combine while you're harvesting. Anyway, I'm going to pause this just for a second. Next image you should see will be as we're going along the side. As you can see, it's starting to get a little golden hat there. I gotta go.